Welcome to the vlog. In today's video, we do some shopping for things that we really needed to use to update my apartment. We do some little reno and demo, do some deep cleaning, and we go and see some of the really pretty leaves that are still falling around the city. I hope you enjoy this video. Like and subscribe. So the camera died yesterday while I was still out, but we're at Home Depot now picking up a bunch of stuff to fix my bathroom. It doesn't work. Do you hear the theme music? I hear it. That is their music, right?
You mean the Home Depot music?
Yeah.
Would you like an e-receipt?
Oh,
Tip?
thank you.
Pretty leaves in Stanley Park. Hadn't been this way in a long time. Glad we decided to come here because you get the view of the city and the leaves. And it's very windy today, so you probably hear all the wind. Hi. You blend in with the leaves. Smile. While we were walking around, I definitely didn't notice this thing floating in the air. Are you serious? I know it was for Halloween, but still, that is so scary. Oh, I see what you're talking about now.
I don't know what that is. But
I don't
it looks
either.
like a bunch of yellow trees.
Yeah.
A stand. I think it's
Is that what they're called?
a bunch. Jeez.
I like it. It's got the blue in it too. Can you hold it?
That's a bow angle.
I know. I didn't want
A dental angle.
I know. It's so easy. Now I know why they came with the things in the thing.
Yeah. You don't have to buy a separate power screwdriver. You have a really good power screwdriver. You don't have to worry about charging batteries.
Yeah, he made sure we understood that.
Just didn't tell us we needed to buy drill bits.
No, that would have been good.
And I
that
missed
would have been
it.
nice to know.
You got
I was too busy showing us like little kids like toys.
me. Yes, we were distracted. I just missed it.
I'm
Can save
done.
those now.
Huh?
Can save those now.
I know, that's why I took them out.
Did you have your GoPro going?
Yeah, the GoPro's on.
That's so easy. I'm telling you, this is something. Yes.
Oh, was I blocking the GoPro?
Yes.
That's okay. There's like 20 more screws.
Does Matthew have a power tool?
Can Bao do that?
No, I don't think so.
We bought this in the summer with him here.
Yeah. They would love to have you back.
Oh yeah. That one's not fitting in that.
Yeah, but that's why we keep.
We keep all, but so she handed me the little.
Yeah, the little medicine thing that
That's
you
so
probably
funny.
can't use for medicine anymore.
No, I can't use that one. That is very cool. This is so, I would have literally sat and done it for
That's
like.
why demolition's fun, Alicia.
It is fun.
That's why the other one, you do the cable, it could be done by this.
Could be hours.
And I took the cabinet apart.
By hand,
That
yeah.
I threw it by hand. Yeah, but it was
That's
actually.
like meditation.
It was.
You
It was
really
very
need to
zen actually, but yeah, it took a lot longer than it needed to.
do- Exactly. Good idea. When it really takes 2 minutes.
Pajama demo.
Wow.
This is my first time at the outlet malls near the airport, and I am a big fan of this. A plane's landing somewhere. Thank you. Big chocolate croissant time. Oh, I'm getting this one. Yeah. Look on this side. There's more.
Have to get a price.
You find something you like? No? Okay. That's a lot of colors. That's nice.
$23.
Oh, okay. Is it too small? If we go straight down, we can get basically to the restaurant. So we're good.
That's right, but we had to go all the way around the center.
Yeah.
Sorry.
That's okay. I wanted you in it. These are good for this because like there's gonna be a bunch of, you want to dip the bread.
Correct.
Yeah. So a lot of
Very good.
the samosa,
This is very good.
这是什么？
tikka masala. You said the samosa is really good.
Mine was really good.
这两个是一样的吗？那先别打开了。
Is there potato in it?
Yes, vegetarian potato.
I'm just vegetarian.
This,
I gotta tell Tommy we can get samosas from here.
great idea.
Thank you.
There are some Indian places we haven't tried yet, to be fair.
Definitely need to dump the trash.
Yes.
Tonight, no question. I don't even know where the knot is. Oh, there it is.
There's a lot of bread in here. So they did give us both.
How much is the bread?
I don't remember. It's really good. It's literally the hole in the wall definition. It looks like it would like give you food poisoning, but it's the best Indian food in the city. Same as a lot of Asian restaurants, the same way. Like the kitchen is nothing. Like the places might not look very fancy,
Right.
but it's very, very good.
It's just those two ladies making stuff.
I know. So I didn't show what I got yesterday, but I got a new pair of Uggs. I have a regular pair of like Ugg boots, but I've never had these shoes or like slipper version. So I'm gonna wear these in the apartment. I got this nice, actually, which color is this? There's like a tan and then there's like a cream. This is sand, so I assume this is tan. But yeah, my new shoes. Looking forward to giving these a try. And I got them in a size 9, so they should be nice and big and cozy. We are headed out to dinner with my cousin who's actually in town visiting right now. My parents are still here, but they're heading out tomorrow, so cozy shoes and dinner coming up at Biku. Look at them. They're so comfy. Yay!